Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Keto and the Chaos. My name is Tammy, and this is an episode of What to Eat Wednesday. In this episode, you'll see everything I ate in the last 7 days on a ketogenic way of eating for maintenance. Keep in mind that I am currently eating maintenance calories of 2,000 to 2,200 calories per day. I am on a quest to discover the perfect maintenance calories for me. So keep in mind that that is the reason I am eating 3 meals. But I hope that you can still get some great ideas for your own keto weight loss journey. There are still some really great weight loss meals in this video, so I hope you enjoy it. Let's get to the food. Alrighty everyone, it's Wednesday and I am breaking my fast. It is 1:30 in the afternoon and I am having my first meal of the day. Today I am having 40 grams of center cut bacon, 2 ounces of mozzarella cheese that I have just crisped up in a pan, 2 fried eggs, 1 cup of 0% Fage or Fage, F-A-G-E, Greek yogurt, sweetened with lemonade Mio, water enhancer, and a cup of Creo brew with stevia and half. This is Creo brew. It is ground cocoa beans, and you just make it in a coffee maker like coffee, and I put a little bit of stevia in, and actually it's not half today. It's heavy whipping cream today. Got the real deal, and that's going to be my first meal of the day. This is meal 2. Hello everyone, it's Wednesday night and I am having one of my favorite meals, spaghetti squash with chicken breast, provolone cheese, and you can't really see it, but there is Rao's marinara underneath there. Looks like Dave put the marinara under the chicken today, probably to heat it up a little better. So I have 100 grams of spaghetti squash, 4 ounces of chicken, 1 ounce of provolone cheese, and 1/4 cup of Rao's marinara, and then I am going to have a Snickers keto cake from ketocakesutah.com. All right, everyone, it is about 1 o'clock in the afternoon and I am going to break my fast, my first meal of the day. I decided I absolutely had to have a keto cake right now that I picked those up. So I was thinking this was chocolate orange, but now I'm not 100% sure. It does kind of look like chocolate orange, so I'm guessing that might be what it is. But anyway, gonna have a keto cake, 4 pieces of sausage, 1 egg, and a cup of yogurt with orange tangerine Mio. I am sticking to soft foods because my mouth is still hurting so bad, and yesterday that food I ate was really painful and hard to eat. So this is the soft foods that I'm having for today, and also 1 cup of hot tea. I have it's throat coat herbal tea with half stevia and a little liquid Splenda, and that is going to be my first meal of the day. Alright everyone, I am home today. It's Thursday and this is going to be my second meal of the day. I decided to go for some fresh eggs and I went ahead and deviled them up with a little bit of bacon, mustard, mayonnaise, and paprika, salt, pepper. And then I'm going to have a sparkling ice drink. And that's going to be my second meal of the day. Alrighty everyone, it's Thursday night and I am having my last meal of the day. I'm having 4 ounces of chicken breast, 1 ounce of provolone cheese, and 1/4 cup of Rao's Alfredo sauce over the top of 100 grams of zucchini noodles, and that is going to be my last meal of the day. Alrighty everyone, it's Friday, and I am having my first meal of the day. It's only 11 o'clock in the morning, but I want to eat earlier. Today I just feel like it, so today I am having 30 grams of center cut bacon, 2 ounces of mozzarella cheese, 1 egg fried in a pan, and 150 grams of 0% Fage Greek yogurt sweetened with orange vanilla Mio water enhancer, and a cup of Creo brew with stevia and half. And that is going to be my first meal of the day. Alright everyone, it is 3:30 and I am having my second meal of the day. So this is just leftover chicken soup that Dave made like last week, and I'm still working on eating it all. I put in 2 ounces of chicken and 170 grams, I think, of random vegetables and 3 tablespoons of heavy cream. And then I have 1 salted caramel keto cake from ketocakes.com. And yay, my Primal Thin Bars showed up finally after 8 days. Keep in mind, if you guys are going to order from Julian Bakery, it takes so much time to get your order. I thought I was going to die waiting for my bars, but they are here. So I'm going to have to remember to order some more today so that the next time I will have more bars when I need more bars. Alrighty everyone, it's Friday night and I am having an 8-piece naked wings. I'm actually going to get some Frank Red Hot to put on it, but apparently they forgot it. Oh well, it's all right. And a salad with ranch dressing. And that is going to be my last meal of the day. All right, everyone, it's Saturday, and tonight I'm going out with Dave to a movie and dinner, and so I am saving basically all of my fat and calories for dinner and the movie. So this morning, I am eating 300 grams of 0% Fage Greek yogurt sweetened with orange tangerine Mio water enhancer, and that is going to be my first meal of the day. Alright everyone, it's Sunday and I am starving. It is 10 a.m. and I'm heading to church. So I want to eat something before I go so that I don't starve at church. This is a very low-fat meal, so I'll have to get my fats in my other meals, but I just don't have anything else to do that's quick. So I'm going to have one of these Primal Thin bars and 1 cup of 0% Fage Greek yogurt sweetened with lemonade Mio water enhancer, and that's going to be my first meal of the day. Alright everyone, it's 2 o'clock on Sunday, and this is going to be my second meal of the day. I have 3 tablespoons of cream cheese, 1 egg, cooked for 90 seconds in the microwave with a little sugar-free syrup on top, 4 Great Value brand sausages, 2 ounces of mozzarella cheese fried in a pan, and 1 KeepingItKetoCakes.com cake, and a cup of throat coat herbal tea with stevia and half and half. Alright everyone, it's Sunday night, and I am having delicious pork ribs that Dave made out in the smoker, and some asparagus with salt and some sugar-free barbecue sauce. Hello everyone, it's Monday. It's about 11:30 and I am breaking my fast with this first meal of the day. Over here I have 1 egg and 3 ounces of 1/3 less fat cream cheese that I just mixed up with little salt, lemonade Mio, and I cooked for 90 seconds in the microwave. This is sugar-free syrup on the top. Then I have 30 grams of center cut bacon, 2 ounces of shredded mozzarella cheese fried in a pan, and a cup of Creole brew with stevia and half and half. And that is going to be my first meal of the day. I totally forgot. I'm also having yogurt. I'm having 130 grams of 0% Fage Greek yogurt sweetened with lemonade Mio water enhancer. Alright, here is going to be my second meal on the go today, and it is a Primal Thin bar, 1 boiled egg with salt, 1 keto cake, cinnamon roll flavor, and 30 grams of mozzarella cheese. That's going to be my second meal of the day. Alright everyone, it's Monday night, and I am having one of my favorite meals. I am having kind of like, I don't know what I should call this, it's just like spaghetti chicken or something. I've got 100 grams of spaghetti squash, 1/4 cup of Rouse marinara, 5 ounces of chicken breast, and 2 ounces of mozzarella cheese. And that's going to be my last meal of the day. Hello everyone, it's Tuesday, and this is what I'm going to have for my first meal of the day. It's about 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and I am breaking my fast. I am having 2 eggs that I fried in bacon grease, 30 grams of center cut bacon, 2 ounces of mozzarella cheese and 3 pepperonis, and 100 grams of 2% Greek yogurt mixed with 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream and some orange vanilla Mio water enhancer. That's about 47 grams of protein and 47 grams of fat, and fewer than 7 carbs. And so that is going to be my first meal of the day. All right, this is going to be my second meal of the day. 1 Quest protein cookie, 1 Primal Thin bar, 1 boiled egg with salt, and a keto cake, caramel keto cake. This will put me at about 100 protein and 100 fat for the day. All right, everyone, it's Tuesday night, and I am really tired, and it's really late, so this is all I have got in me to muster up. Well, Chef Dave made it, but this is all I got in me to eat right now. So I am just having 4 ounces of mozzarella cheese, a couple of tablespoons of Rouse arrabbiata, or marinara, or one of those, and about 10 pepperonis, and that is going to be my last meal of the day.
Well, there you have it. Everything I ate this week on a ketogenic way of eating to maintain my weight. I hope that you got some great ideas for your own keto journey. Don't forget to join us on Facebook for more information on how you can get started on your own keto weight loss journey. Don't forget to visit our Teespring store for awesome merch, and join us on Patreon for early content 24 hours before everyone else. And thank you so much. We'll talk to you again soon. Cheers.